welcome to my channel. If you're watching this for the first time, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to on the notification bell because you don't want to miss another episode. Today I want to show you how you can earn over $500 in just 30 minutes. So keep watching and follow me. You think this is another kind of trick that doesn't work? Yes, I've already said that 3 days ago until I get this screenshot from my friend on how they get their own payout. So what you need to do now is to follow all these steps and earn as I earn. So first thing, these are requirements I need. You must have up to $1 in your bank account, a working credit card, debit card on any virtual card that you are using. So if you are from USA, that means you don't need this thing again. But if you are not from USA, you need a Payoneer account. If you haven't already a Payoneer account, there is a link in the description below that say register your Payoneer account. Click on that link and register a new Payoneer account. It is easy to register, to sign up for a Payoneer account, and they will accept you in 24 hours. So as I said, the second thing or the third thing is to, if you are not from USA, there is a way around it because I'm not for USA also, but I always got ring around on how to register on USA website. I use a fake address generator, so you can use this thing also. So the third thing is the link to the money which I call the money bank. So the link to the website is in the description below. So to register your Payoneer account, I'll drop the link in the description below. Link to the fake address is in the description below. And if you're watching this video for the first time, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to on the notification bell because you don't want to miss another episode. So click the link to the money in the bank, as I said. So let me do something now. I want to log out. Okay, sign out. So after you have clicked this link in the description below, you'll be redirected to this page and click on become an affiliate. You don't have to promote anything, but just wait and keep watching on what I'm doing. So you must open the fake email address generator. Fake address generator here. So input your company name, maybe your name, the street address. Get the street address from the fake email address generator. Your first name, your last name, your first name and last name must be your real name. The city name must be the city you generated from fake email address generator. The zip code, get the zip code from the fake email address generator. Your email, the two email I've told you to prepare from this two email account. So get it already. So input one of the email here, your password that you remember, the phone number. You can get the phone number from the fake address email generator. So what is the website address you get this from? There is a website in the link in the description that I told the link. There's a web link in the description below. You can input the website there. So name, so this is where we have problems if you are not from USA. That is why I told you to register a Payoneer account. If you are from USA, you can enter a way around it. You don't have to enter this thing. So if you are not from USA and you're already registered for Payoneer account, all you need to do is click on receive and global payment service. So after you click on global payment service, click on USD receiving account. So here you get your routing number, account number. So you can input all these things they ask here and click on continue. After you click on continue, you will be redirected to this. Let me log in again. I have to log in again because I've already logged out. So wait. So after you have logged in, you've directed to this storm of page. This is commission of earn, which will be paid out already. So after then, this means go to search for the feature product wrong side alone maintenance plan and click on this link. You'll be directed to a page that is where you will spend your $1 that I told you to prepare into your $1. So here, input your first name, your last name, the second email address that I told you to reserve here. So the zip code, get the zip code from here, and after you'll be directed to something like this page. I'm coming. Okay, zip code of joy, something like that. Yeah, continue. So please wait, I got a bit of slow network here. Okay, see, paste. So this is where and input your password and click on continue. So this is how you input your card details, your name, your card type and card number, and both agree and accept payments. And after this thing is accepted, you can go back to your dashboard to check your link. So you can reload. After 30 minutes, you'll be able to get your commission. Total end, we see maybe about $21 here for free. $21 for just $1 only. And after then, you can refer your friends so it can earn with you. About of any friend you refer to this account, you'll be given $10. So imagine first a 10 referrals, get a 10 referrals, that is $100. Imagine get even be able to get a 50 referrals, that's like 50 times 100, 50 times 10, that's like $500. So no, yes, I can say $500. That means you just earn $500 in 30 minutes. So this thing is real. So as I said before, you can check this payment is payment on today on 29 October 2019. I also think this is not real. That is why I didn't do it before, but now it is real. I'm eager to do it and also able to tell you that this thing is real. So if you are watching this video for the first time, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to on the notification bell because you don't want to miss another episode. So after that, if you want to contact me, there is a WhatsApp number in the description below. You can contact me via my WhatsApp, Instagram, or Facebook account. So as I said, refer your friends, your families to earn more. What are the requirements I said before? You can go back again. This is what the requirements you need. All the link to get this thing is in the description below. So work this thing step by step. So don't forget to do anything. Thank you for watching and peace out and